Spread out the mattress cover and the sponge mats. Mattress cover comes with 2 zippers for easy installation. Simply install the headboard and footboard, along with the guardrails. After installing the 2 slots of the headboard into their corresponding positions on the frame, insert the pins and lock them into place. The footboard has also been fitted. Align the guardrail with the hole and insert it. Then lock the 2 knobs tightly. The mattress cover is equipped with 4 straps on each side, which can be tied to the bedboard to prevent the mattress from moving during use. Back lift adjustment assists patients in getting in and out of the bed, reducing lumbar stress. Knee lift adjustment reduce leg pressure and promote blood circulation in the patient's legs. Back and knee lift adjustment promote patient blood circulation, facilitate eating and drinking, and enhance comfort. The bed can be lowered from 27.7 inches to 7.2 inches, excluding the mattress height.